2024. And for this very function, we have as guest of honor Father all the way from Pilar. We have Father Walter, Father Thomas, who is part of the institute. We have the PTA chairman and the vice chairman, senior teacher Cynthia, Garden Angels, catering principal, all the judges who have been selected to see that your performance is counted for all of them. I will not take all of them, Melbourne, Weber, Slenders, Senzel, British, all of them, who have been selected by the management to see that your performance is recognized. I think when they were also young, they were also selected by some other people. And today they have reached whatever stages of life they have gone through. Well, first of all, I would like to thank the management, especially Father Walter, for inviting me to be part of this function. And as a chief guest, normally we have a big boring speech, but I will make my speech very short because that is not what you all are all for. You all are here to see the performance of your young friends who will give their best to see that they win the sparkling trophies which are in front of us. But as the MLA of this constituency, I believe that we all have to progress. We all have to progress in various fields what we want to achieve in our life. And to do this, we have a lot of ups and downs.
Countries like Japan,
life is not easy. Life has
people from
ups and
outside
downs.
their country, and you should always encourage within their system, are taking people from outside their country. They're coming, they take Indians, they take anybody else, because what is happening is their population is aging. Younger generation is not there to take care of them or to take their life ahead. And India is one of the countries where younger generation like you is the maximum. And that is why when I say today we have the world of opportunities, we have the world for us. Only we have to keep thinking big. We have to keep thinking that yes, today the world has become small and we can go to any place, anytime. Like when I remember in my young days, my father, if he had to speak to somebody outside India or anybody, they had to make a trump call. They used to call before. This is all unheard of. You must have never heard of these things. My father used to dial the exchange, tell that I want to connect to this person. The exchange used to call back and tell that, okay, this is a time fixed for you at 10:20, we will connect you. So this is how life was then. Today it is not like that. So the world is changing, so we have to also change as per the world. And that is why, my young friends, I am sure that the Garden Angel management along with the teachers and the faculty members are giving you the best. And to remove the best out of you, you have to strive for it. And with these few words today, I once again thank the management, especially Father Walter, for giving their human services to the young generation of this town and the surrounding areas. Garden Angel has been there for so many years. I was there for another function a few days back. And it is an established brand, I can say. When I meet people, when I travel here or abroad, I meet a lot of people who have studied from Garden Angel and made their life. And I am sure that you are also making the same way in your future from this very esteemed college. I once again thank each one of you to be part of this social environment. And I hope that whatever I have spoken, you take it to the heart and keep yourself strong for the difficulties you come over a period of life. And always respect your parents. That is the most thing you should remember, that respect your parents. No parent will want their child to come down. All the parents will want their children to perform better than them. So as the teachers who have been giving their services to you will always want you to do best in your life. Please do not forget both these people who are part of your career. And as youngsters, always remember there is something in your thing which will take you forward. I always tell, again I am repeating, there is something what today I think most of you who are participating has a passion in activity, in the dance or whatever competition. And your career, like if you see our esteemed panel of judges who are there, they have performed well. They are successful performers. They have taken their passion to their career. They are going to different places in the world to perform in what they want. So career is something which can be taken into passion also. Your passion and career, if you take together, from my political life or from the social life I had, I have seen people shine when their career and their passion come in hand. When these both things, if you try to strive for, I'm sure you will be successful people. With these few words, once again, thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
We were in the professional field. We are watching and witnessing professional dancers and singers over here. It's a free show for us. It's a great treat for all of us by the students. It's wonderful to see everyone performing with great dedication and commitment.
As the days go ahead,